Hello guys, One Digital Dude here. So in this video I'll be showing you how to change your settings, and in the previous video I explained how to create your pages on WordPress. So after creating your pages, there's a need to make some changes in your settings, and I'll show you how to do that. So to get to your settings, let me come down. So these are settings here in your dashboard. Just come down. That's the second to the last option here. You can see settings. Now when you click on settings, it gives you, so you can see when I bring my mouse to this here, it gives you these options here that you can choose from. So let's just quickly go through the settings. The first one is general. So under general, you can do this. Remember when we were installing WordPress, we had to put the website name and the description. That's the tagline. Explain what your website is about in a few words. So you can also edit that here. This is your site URL. So for this, don't do much. For here, your time zone, because you stay in Lagos, so leave it in +1. Can you see +1 here? So look for +1 here, or you can go up and search for Lagos under Africa. Let's see. Okay, or you can do this. Choose Lagos. It's still the same thing, but let's leave it as +1. So come down. +1. This is +1 here. Your date format, make sure it is this format: the month, the day, and the year. So pick this first one. The same thing with your time. Pick this first one. Then your week starts on Monday. So if it's not Monday, select Monday and click Save Changes. So in order to continue, just come down and look at the left here under settings. You can see the other options. So the next option is writing. I think we should leave this for now. Let's come to the third one, reading. Click on reading. Now here, this is where you decide what appears on your home page. Currently your home page is displaying your post, assuming we have blog posts here. So let me show you what this means. Let's go to Digital for Kids. So when you visit this domain, Digital for Kids, the first thing you see on your home page is a blog post. Can you see this thing is a post? Unlike this one, when you visit this home page, the first thing is this website. The first thing you see is this home page designed this way. But here it is just showing us blog. So we don't want it to show us blog. I want it to be plain. So we'll change it to home page. So here under your home page displays, instead of latest post, click on a static page. Now for your home page, select home. Remember we created different pages. So for home page we are selecting home. For post page we are selecting blog. So your blog appears on your post page here. Come down. Let's leave this as excerpt. Then click on Save Changes. So come down again. Come to discussion. Okay, just leave this. Don't touch anything here for now. Just leave this. Come to media. So if you, okay, let's see. Now for this one, so don't do anything. Now come to this last one here. This next one, permalinks. So after this, we're not changing anything in. So for your permalinks, for example, if I click on this post, Look at the domain, I mean the URL. Can you see it is digitalforkids.com.ng/hello world, because hello world is the title of this post. So this is a permalink. Now our permalink is post name. Make sure you select post name for your permalink, so it is easy for you, for anyone to remember this link. They just put /hello world in front. But for my permalink, if I choose month and name, for example, don't select it, I'm just showing you an example. So let me refresh this. Now look at this link here. Let me refresh it. Can you see it's a bit longer? It has added day and month to it, but I don't want this, so I'll just leave it as post name. Just leave it as post name and click save changes. Alright, so that's how you change your settings in WordPress.